What are we replacing today, Jaybo?
The bumper fillers.
And why would we want to replace the bumper fillers?
Because your box Chevy ain't crap without the bumper fillers.
Facts. So, it's like, I don't know, 8 videos, 10 videos on YouTube. King Joshua got one. A couple other dudes got it on YouTube on how to replace the bumper fillers on a box Chevy. So, you don't need to see mine, do you? So, we're just going to do a little magic trick. Y'all ready? Boom, there it is. So look, mine is done, obviously. You know what I'm saying? So that's it. Crap, so go ahead and put the new one on. And that's it. Bumper fillers in. And that's all she wrote for today. Look at that sexy LS motor. Woo! Yeah, a little crank real quick. Uh-oh. They're gonna try it 2 more times. Still gotta get this thing tuned. Computer doesn't know it's a camera now. Little things, man, gotta get right before the paint man get his hands on it. Gotta change that. You know what I'm saying? Got the new one right there, that white bag. Then I gotta put these on. Where those at? Oh, they're right here. So that's it. Put these on tomorrow. Alright. Over and out, YouTube.